Hi everyone, it's so nice to be back. Welcome to a brand new reveal for June's VB kit. It is called Solstice. It is based around the sun. Perfect for summer, right? I also want to add thank you for your support this year. It has been a very challenging year, both business-wise and in my personal life. So I've been kind of taking care of myself, and I'll go in a little bit. I'll go and talk about that a little bit later. But let's talk about the kit first. I haven't had page flags or any transparent type of page flag or product in a kit for a while, so I decided to mix things up and not just have page flag size. This has 3 different shapes, so you get, the top, the light brown is the regular page flag, that you see, and then the next one, this light colored one, is perfect to fit in the monthly boxes in the VB planner. And then the last one is kind of a what do you call this? Arch, like an arch type of shape, and I like it to go this way instead of the top. If you can use it that way too, but this one fits perfectly in that monthly box, and then you have the traditional page flag size. For the Solstice kit, the tape for the month is the clear plastic transparent tape. I've got a lot of feedback saying that you guys are liking this clear tape, which I do too. It's really fun. And this is a brand new foil. I've never used a bronze foil before in a kit, so I thought that would be something different. It totally matches with the kit. So 2 of them, the bigger one and the thin one. Okay. This has to be my favorite product in this kit. Let me tell you about it. When I was designing this kit back in February, March, I knew I wanted to have sun catchers. So I decided to have 2 sun catchers for this kit, and you'll find the directions on the back of the card. But here are the 2. This one, here comes the sun, and this one's radiate positivity. I have these all over the studio, and I just love seeing all the rainbows. Let me show you a reel that we put together. We haven't posted this yet, but it's just a little reel to show you how to install, maybe I should say, the sun catcher. So you want to make sure you clean your window surface, and then you're gonna mist the window with a little bit of water, so it has that static cling, and that's what's making the sun catcher stick to the window. So we just put both of them so you can see. And there's some tips on the back of the card on where to place it, so you really optimize that rainbow. Oh, and don't forget to squeegee all the water out. But this is what the sun catchers look like. Okay. Oh, yes. So these are vinyl stickers. I haven't done vinyl stickers before. And you get 3 of them with the set. And these are waterproof. So you can put them on your water bottles, on your laptop, covers, anything. And I just wanted to show you a sneak peek. I decided to go ahead and make some VB vinyls. There's about 1, 2, 3, 4. There's about 6 that I did with some clip art that a lot of you just love. So you'll be getting these. Oh, I put this flower, on the transparent cover of the VB planner. So that's something that you can do. I'll probably add these to the site sometime next week. Okay, now let's talk about the pen. This is an all gold metal pen. I don't do a lot of all gold metal, but I thought this was appropriate for this kit. The crystals are a mix of a yellow orange, and a nude crystal. It's literally like a sunbeam in a pen. Okay, so let's talk about stickers, and a new addition to the core line of the VB kits is a journaling card, because I got a lot of feedback that you guys like to collect them and add them to your vision boards and your bulletin boards. So that's added, and then these are the single sheet stickers. I did see the Facebook post about some more functional stickers, and I'll be including more functional stickers in the sticker packs. I like these stickers because you can really layer them, and I'll show you how I did that in my VB planner. And then this is a sticker book. with the bronze foil. My lighting today, the weather here in Seattle is really weird because it'll get really dark and then really bright when you least expect it. So right now it's super bright, so it's a little bit hard to see that bronze foil, but it's there. It's just kind of getting washed out because of the sunshine. Just to give you a heads up, starting in August, I will be revamping the sticker book. I think it needs some new sticker pages. Yeah, I thought it needs some newness in there. Oh, I wanted to point this out. So the manufacturer totally forgot to foil the one in the orange, so they just added the one that's foiled in the sticker book. So yeah, that's why you have two. This is a 6x3 notepad with a really cool design to help you stay organized for the week. And I thought this would be a great project for this kit. And I'm going to show you how I used it in my VB planner. It is divided with a priority list and 4 squares. And I'm going to show you how I use the 4 squares. This is my layout for the week. As you can see, I'm very functional. I need all my space for all of my to-dos. And I like to decorate it here and there, but not overly decorate it. And so I did already have the notepad, note sheet, I should say, here, but I took it out because I had some info that I don't want to share right now. So we're gonna start over. I'm using the double-sided adhesive tape, which you could find in the shop, and I'll make sure to link it in the description box below, but it fits perfectly in this section right here. So some of you who, especially for those of you who are new to the planning world, I kind of wanted to break down these 4 boxes. So there is a sticker sheet. Let me find it. It has a bunch of words on it, kind of like headers. Oh, right here. This is on clear, so they're clear stickers. And what I'm going to do is pick 4 that I want to label each box. So you're going to categorize each box into a particular to-do that you need to do for the week. So I have a bill due. What bill do I? I know I have a bill due. Oh, it's my Sephora, my Sephora bill. And then I need to buy a paper cutter for the studio, like those heavy duty industrial paper cutter. I don't have one, which I need to invest in one for the studio. And then I need to clean the storage room downstairs. Needs to be cleaned out because we need to make room for the second half of the year's products, especially like anniversary. Oh, we have anniversary already coming, so we need room for that. We need room for Advent and for Black Friday. So we need all the space we can get, and then a work, because there's always something that I need to do for work. So I don't want to forget whatever that may be. So I'm going to make sure it has its own category. Right now I have been really loving the VB fountain pens. For me, I love like bold writing. I'm a very big writer, and I don't know, I'm just really feeling it right now. So a lot of the writing you see in my planner is from the fountain pen, and it does not bleed through. So let's talk a little bit about what's going on with me. Just to give you a little bit of insight into my personal life. First of all, I'm okay. I'm okay now. Earlier this year, I've had some health scare problems, and I knew in order for me to get to a goal of mine, I really need to tackle those health problems. And a way for me to do that was to take care of myself, to put myself as a priority. And for all these years, I've been putting VB as my main priority. It is the first thing I think about when I wake up. It is the last thing I think about when I go to bed. And I think as any entrepreneur, as any small business owner, they do the same. But this year I knew that it would be a little bit different, that I would need to put VB a little bit off to the side and focus on myself, focus on my health. Because if I don't focus on my health, how am I supposed to focus on my brand, on villabeauTIFFul? And how can I be a good leader to my team if I'm not 100%? So that's what's been going on. I've been kind of taking, being off social media a little bit, both on Facebook, on Instagram, and really focusing on my spiritual, my mental, my emotional, and my physical well-being. And it's been working. Like, I feel good. I feel that I am more productive. I am more focused. I am more eager to reach my goals and my dreams. And I feel that my creativity is at its peak right now, and there's just so much that I want to do. I also realize that I need to do things that will make me happy, and that's what I've been focusing on. So back to the kit. I blabbed way too much, but I hope you guys liked my planner spread. A little bit of insight tips on how to use that notepad, and here's just a full reveal of the kit. So it's so nice to be back. It's nice to be back on schedule for all of you. Thank you again for all your support, and I'll see you next month.